Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. My name is Shubhankar, you're on my channel Digitally Contenting and this video will be a bit interesting. So, reason why is like आज का ब्लॉग थोड़ा अलग होने वाला है because आज के दिन I am headed out for a stargazing event happening at Wangani. Now Wangani is 1 hour away from Mumbai, so it's basically a go-to destination for all the Mumbaikars which happen on every weekend. Anyways, so my intention of going at the place इज़ बिकॉज़ मुझे प्लैनेटरी अलाइनमेंट देखनी थी कि एक्चुअल में कैसा दिखता है। ये फर्स्ट टाइम है मैं ऑब्जर्वेटरी इवेंट के लिए मैं जा रहा हूँ। इसके पहले मैं कभी इस टाइप के इवेंट के लिए गया नहीं हूँ। आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस ब्लॉग विल टर्न आउट टू बी एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी विल बी जॉइन्ड बाय मिहिर। सो हू इज़ मिहिर? मिहिर इज़ दैट गाइड फ्रॉम होराइज़न एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल सोसाइटी व्हिच इज़ लोकेटेड एट वांगनी एंड वहीं पे हम जा रहे हैं। देयर विल बी एन ओवरनाइट स्टे। सो विद दैट सेड, let's go to Wangani. So we have reached the location and for the time being, we will be guided. See, as you can see, this is the dormitory stay, which I'll be using for the overnight stay. And for the time being, we will be guided by Mr. Vaibhav here for a short exploration tour from here. So basically, I asked Vaibhav that if he can guide me for a small tour of the entire location, and happily he has agreed. So let's see how this thing goes, and once we meet Mihir, I'll introduce you to the same guy. Vaibhav, just one question here. So you've been studying astrophysics,
Astrophysics.
physics, yeah. So from a very long time.
Yeah.
So when you see film like Avenger,
Uh-huh.
ठीक है, doesn't it make curious कि there can be a multiverse also?
Yes. So for multiverse thing, it's like there are different theories. So in physics, it's allowed, but it's not proven. We can't say that a multiverse could exist or it doesn't exist, but it's not like it doesn't exist at all.
So आता आपण जेव्हा बघतो त्या ॲस्ट्रोमॅपवरती,
हां.
ठीक आहे, तर कधी कधी आपल्याला असे एक स्टार्स दिसतात ज्याचं नाव जे आहे एकदम वियर्ड असतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल नंबर्समध्ये असतात. देयर वॉज वन स्टार विच वॉज लास्ट टाइम मी ऑब्झर्व करत होतो तर मी आय थिंक इट वॉज M11
First the number thing, right? So M11, M32, whatever the number is, so it's a Messier catalog. So there was an astronomer named Charles Messier. Yeah, so he actually through his telescope he founded all these objects in the sky and he gave his number on its own. But in modern astronomy we have alt and azimuth. So accordingly
azimuth
alt and azimuth. Yeah, altitude is like this, up and above, and azimuth is like this.
Horizons and height.
Yes, horizon and height.
Azimuth. Azimuth.
AZIMUTH.
Ben 10.
Well done.
Matrix.
Yes, I have listened to that. I am not sure. The closest galaxy to our galaxy, it's itself Andromeda. It's itself a Messier object. So it's M32.
M32 is the real close one.
Yeah, the closest galaxy to us.
What was that?
There are a lot of explosions that happen.
Explosions?
No, like the people there.
काय चाललं तिकडे?
हे construction चालू आहे थोडं.
मग डायनामिक फोडला काय?
I don't have any idea. येत राहतो असे randomly आवाज. It's very far, but.
अच्छा, very far. Then fine.
Here we have certain magnitude limit. So we will only observe those objects that are very bright, such as planets, few stars, some nebulas, and certain constellations. So that we will go through the night.
Okay. Cool. Hello. So we have reached the site, and as I told you, I'll be introducing you to Mr. Mihir, and he's from Horizon Astronomical Society. So here he is.
Hello everyone. So yes, my name is Mihir and I'm doing astronomy from last 13 years as a facilitator, as a resource person, and we started Horizon 2 years ago. So Horizon Astronomical Society is a place where we do in-depth astronomy. We have largest telescope mirror near to Mumbai, and we all are certified astronomers. So throughout the night, we show stars, planets, constellations, clusters. Trust me, when you will see the results of photo, which we will share with you all, you will fall in love with what you all have seen, especially the moon and the planets from this observatory. We are at the observatory which is at Wangni, which is just an
1 hour away.
from-
1 hour away.
Yes, and then where there is one more location at Samraj, Sandan Valley, where we see Milky Way. That is 5 hours away, and all of us are very passionate about astronomy. The whole team.
People will be asking the questions regarding the event as well. What will be they getting in return when they book a slot with you?
Yes, so the main thing जो हम देंगे इस पूरे इवेंट में, ये एक एक्सपीरियंस होगा to go into the depths of astronomy. The facilities which we provide are one of the best facilities. अभी यूजुअली जब भी आप स्टार गेजिंग जाते हो तो स्टे एंड ऑल इतने कुछ खास नहीं रहते, ओपन ग्राउंड में रहते हैं. वी आर सिचुएटेड इनसाइड अ रिसॉर्ट, तो यहाँ पे वॉशरूम फैसिलिटी सबसे बेस्ट है. ओके, वी हैव टेंट्स also. Inside there are mattress, pillow, blanket, bed sheet, and the food arrangements are done in proper dining area, dining hall with unlimited food, evening snacks, dinner, midnight tea, morning breakfast, ये सब कुछ होता है. So आपको best facilities मिलेंगे at any observatory which is near to Mumbai. That I can guarantee you.
Okay then. Alright then, I look forward for the event. Hello everyone. So as you can see, it's already dark, and what it is 7:15 in the evening, and I can already see the moon here, and we can already see the planet aligned in its way. You know, this whole planet, it might look like a star, but actually it is a planet then. Let's see आज कुछ planet देखने को मिल जाए, because इतना पैसा भरा है, so of course कुछ ना कुछ तो रिटर्न मिलेगा. And Mihir has told us कि this evening will be worth the wait.
We are an astronomical society. Okay? Horizon Astronomical Society. Stargazing is a very small part of astronomy. तो ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ देखेंगे और बोलेंगे अरे वाह कितना मस्त दिख रहा है, बस ऐसे नहीं करना है. हमें चीज़ों को समझना है. You have to understand. For example, sometimes we show Jupiter twice, not just once. Sometimes there is a phenomena called as shadow transit. What is shadow transit is? जुपिटर का एक सैटेलाइट जो है ना, उसका शैडो गिरता है जुपिटर पे, तो एक काला कलर का धब्बा आ जाता है जुपिटर पे, उसे शैडो ट्रांजिट कहते हैं. जस्ट नेक्स्ट 5 minutes, डोंट टॉक अमंग्स योरसेल्फ. समवन एल्स हु इज लिसनिंग माइट गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड. ओके, जस्ट फॉर 5 minutes. व्हेन यू कम टू ऑब्जर्वेशन, आस्क अस क्वेश्चंस. द क्वेश्चंस आर वेलकम. ओके, सो द star-like object which you see, that is Venus. But when you see from naked eye, it just looks like a star, right? ये star-like दिख रहा है, but ये star नहीं है. That is planet Venus. उसका ऑब्जर्वेशन करेंगे सबसे पहले, और सेकेंड हम ऑब्जर्वेशन करेंगे मून का. We will see moon at lowest magnification. Lowest magnification gives you highest resolution. Jayesh, okay. They both will take your theory. So your question answers and everything will be solved by them. अरे लाइट ऑफ करने के बाद आप देखोगे कि मून लाइट कितना ब्राइट है. Moon will set at morning 3 o'clock, giving us the most clearest sky in early morning. But now we have a good opportunity to see planets and lunar observation. इससे चांद आपको कहीं कभी दिखेगा ही नहीं. Okay, guaranteed. So now we'll call you in a group.
Okay, so we are about to see moon through this telescope. So let's see how it goes.
अरे आप ट्राई करो और बेटर है. और जो उससे तब खाली ऐसे भी आएगा ना, आप तो ये सेम रिजल्ट भी आएगा ना, बट बिकॉज आपने लिया एफर्ट डाला है. आगे करोगे तो और बेटर.
About to see what exactly?
This is Hades cluster of stars.
Clusters of stars. Let's see how it goes.
तो बेसिकली it is a cluster of stars. Okay, we can see it as a design. If you join the 2 stars here, 2 stars here, and 2 stars here, and consider them as a single point, you can make a triangle of it. Okay, that is the special design about this cluster. 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Remember, this is not real binary, it is a apparent binary stars.
We're watching Mars, right?
We'll be watching Mars here.
Mars. Good. Okay, so we are done with the first part of the session, and in the background आप सुन सकते हो भजन कीर्तन, and anyway that's just the culture here over here. And so far तो हमने बहुत कुछ देखा, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा भी about stargazing. I got to see planets right in front of my eye. मतलब आंखों से कोई और planet को in person देखने का मौका मिला. अभी इसके आगे we will be doing the फोटोग्राफी सेशन. प्लैनेट्स के फोटोज क्लिक करेंगे, वो फोटोज मैं आपसे डायरेक्टली शेयर करूंगा इस वीडियो में. सो या सो फार सो रियली गुड. सो दिस इज माय व्यू एज वेल. It's kind of looks awesome because we have planet over here, we have the moon in center, and we have another planet over here, which Mihir will be shortly telling us about. So far, so very good.
Everyone settle down.
It is 2:41 in the morning. Behind this door, there are 5 to 10 people sleeping, and I don't want to disturb them. So far, so good. जैसे मैंने उम्मीद की थी वैसा ही सेशन रहा. द इंस्ट्रक्टर्स ओवर देयर हैव क्लियरली स्पेसिफाइड अगर आपको कॉन्स्टलेशन देखने के हैं, सो यू हैव टू स्टे अवेक till 3:30 in the night. So I decided to take a power nap. That's why I came to my dormitory. And this morning we'll be headed out for the riverfront, so it should be looking good. This is morning 5 o'clock, and मुश्किल से 1 घंटा हम लोग सोए हैं, and right now we are headed for the early morning session for our stargazing event. Hope to catch some new constellations and Morning, Mir sir.
Hello, good morning.
What are we left with right now?
Now we are left with sun gazing with the help of this telescope, and it is attached with a ISO certified solar filter. Just here, can you see?
Okay.
Small filter. Okay, always use a ISO certified filter to see, because if you use anything else, it might harm your eyes. Okay, you go and see.
Let's see how it goes. Vaibhav sir, thank you for the event.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah. So, can you tell the audience what is penumbra, what is umbra,
Okay, so
in brief manner?
okay, so when you observe the sunspot, right? So the sunspot has like 2 regions. So one is darker and one is little less darker. So the penumbra region is the region where the sunspot is very dark, and the umbra region is where the sunspot is very light.
Okay.
So where the magnetic field is strong, we see more black region, and where the magnetic field is less strong, so we see a less darker region. So that is penumbra and umbra.
That dark spot is created because of
Magnetic field.
magnetic field.
Yeah,
Okay.
there is an instability there.
Instability.
Yeah. So due to that, there is an increase in magnetic field and decrease in temperature.
Okay, okay. So that has caused the creation of black hole, a black spot on the sun.
Yes.
Honestly, it was a really nice thing, and the way you were explaining was really nice because people were understanding it. And the highlight of the event was like we were getting to see planets, and simultaneously we were able to see multiple satellites as well.
Yeah.
I think कितना था हमने 5 सैटेलाइट देखा राइट हमने
Satellites, चार.
चार
Sorry,
या
तीन.
5
तीन Jupiter.
no not the natural satellites, the artificial ones.
Artificial. Yeah. Okay. 5.
Artificial satellites were 5
Yeah.
and not just that Jupiter के 3
Satellites.
natural satellites होते that's
Natural,
that because
yeah.
all this time I was considering कि Jupiter is a gaseous planet.
Yes, it's gaseous.
It is a gaseous planet. Okay. And Moon has 27 natural planet. In your words, Moon के 27 wives है. 27 wives.
Yes. 27 nakshatras where moon resides. So those are like his wives.
Yeah,
So
it's,
that's
it was explained in a very funny manner.
yes.
That's the
That's
difference
the
here.
mythology.
थोड़ा सा regret रहेगा because in the astro, in an event like this, I did not get to see Saturn, which was
yes.
something which I expected. But
Yeah.
I think I came into a wrong season here.
Yeah.
But to check Saturn, okay, what should be the ideal one? Ideal time.
Ideal time should be in the month of December. The Saturn, like it's at these 6 or 7 p.m. It's at its top position. So in December, you can observe the Saturn at the zenith position.
And yeah, overall तो event बहुत अच्छा रहा. Got to learn a lot. So yeah, look forward to. I think it was 22nd.
Yeah.
Right. Okay then. Hello once again. I hope आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, then do make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now coming towards the conclusion of the video, the whole event was well organized by Horizon Astronomical Society. Now one word from them will be awesome because these guys उन्होंने इवेंट इतने अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज किया था एंड एवरीथिंग वाज सो वेल प्रिपेयर्ड एंड वेल सेट अप. देयर वाज जीरो हैसल फॉर पीपल कमिंग ओवर देयर एंड ऑल द अरेंजमेंट व्हिच वर मेड, इट वाज रियली नाइस. एंड वन वर्ड फॉर द इंस्ट्रक्टर्स, दे वर आल्सो रियली प्रोफेशनल इन देयर फील्ड एंड उनकी वजह से हमको बहुत कुछ चीजें सीखने को मिली अबाउट द स्टार्स, अबाउट द प्लैनेट्स, अबाउट द ऑर्बिट्स एंड अबाउट एन नंबर ऑफ सेलेस्टियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. So huge credit for them as well. And with that said, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, then do make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.